Welcome to the Cruising Addicts channel. Today we're going to review the Bites of Nassau food and walking tour. Sit back and enjoy the review, hit that thumbs up button liking this video, subscribe to our channel for more cruise and travel content, and don't forget to check out our website, cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing! Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing one of the most talked about short excursions in Nassau, the Bites of Nassau food and walking tour. If you're cruising into Nassau and want to taste a real Bahamian food, culture, and history all in one experience, stick around because this is the ultimate guide. This tour is a 3-hour guided food tasting and cultural walking tour right in the heart of downtown Nassau. You'll taste Bahamian dishes at multiple local spots, learn about the food scene, meet restaurant owners, and stroll through historic colonial streets, all with a local guide. It's like a mini culinary adventure on foot, and by the end, you should be full and have learned a ton about Bahamian cuisine and culture. Here's some basic info about the tour. The tour lasts about 3 hours. The starting point is Bahamian cooking restaurant and bar on Parliament Square. Walking distance for the tour is about 1.3 miles through downtown Nassau, and group sizes are small for a more personal experience. So here's what's included: a local tour guide, food tastings, drink samples, cultural stories, and a recipe collection to take home. Here's what's not included: gratuity for the tour guide and transportation to and from the meeting point, which is very close to the cruise port. Everything you sample is designed to give you a real local experience, not just typical tourist food. This isn't just small samples. The food tastings are enough for a hearty lunch, with influences from traditional Bahamian cuisine and Caribbean flavors. Think classic conch fritters, Bahamian mac and cheese, local fish tacos, tropical plantains, and Bahamian cocktails that give you a taste of island flavors. The tour stops at 5 unique locations, including Bahamian cooking restaurant that serves authentic island food served by locals, Graycliff Chocolatier that makes fantastic Bahamian style chocolates, John Watling's Distillery where you can purchase and sample their rums and also try out one of their cocktails, Talking Stick Bar at Town Hotel that features a unique Bahamian bar experience, and the Art District Lounge with a creative local cuisine and fun vibes. Please note that tours can vary depending on what's available at the time of tour. What makes this tour special is more than just the food. Your guide shares stories about Bahamian history, traditions, and culture while you walk through charming streets with brightly colored buildings, colonial architecture, and local art. Expect light walking, about 1.3 miles total, including some gentle inclines and staircases, so wear comfortable shoes and bring sunscreen and water. If you have mobility issues, keep in mind this isn't fully wheelchair accessible due to the street terrain. Here are a few tips to get the most from your experience. Book early. Tours are small and they sell out fast. Arrive a bit early so you're ready at the meeting point. You'll have some free time you can explore Parliament Square and take some photos. Tell them in advance if you have any dietary restrictions. They can usually adapt. Bring some cash for tipping the tour guide and also for shopping. Gratuities are not included. Overall, the Bites of Nassau food and walking tour is one of the best short excursions in Nassau if you want local food and culture and a relaxing walking experience. The combination of tasty food, local stories, and sightseeing makes it more memorable than just wandering around on your own. If you love food, history, and getting a real feel for a destination, you'll love this tour. If you'd like to book this tour, there's a link in the video description below. Also check out our Nassau playlist for other great shore excursions. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're planning to do this tour, or if you've already done it. We'd love to hear about your experience. Until next time, safe travels and happy sailing.